Welcome to the channel. Today, we're showcasing 25 of the most amazing heavy machinery in the world. These incredible machines are feats of engineering, designed to tackle the toughest jobs and leave you in awe of their capabilities. Let's get started. First, let's explore some of the giants in the construction industry. Caterpillar D11 Dozer. This powerful bulldozer is known for its immense strength and ability to move massive amounts of earth effortlessly. R9800 excavator. One of the largest excavators in the world, it's built for heavy-duty mining and construction tasks. Komatsu PC8000-6 excavator. Renowned for its impressive size and digging power, this machine is a workhorse on any construction site. Volvo EC950F crawler excavator. Combining advanced technology with sheer power, this excavator is perfect for heavy construction projects. Hitachi X8000-6 excavator. Known for its durability and power, it's a favorite in large-scale construction and mining operations. Next, we dive into the world of massive mining machines. Caterpillar 797F mining truck. This giant mining truck can haul incredible loads, making it essential for large-scale mining operations. LAS 75710. The largest mining truck globally, it's designed to handle the heaviest loads with ease. Komatsu 980E4. A powerhouse in the mining industry, known for its reliability and high performance. Liebherr T284. This truck offers unparalleled efficiency and strength, perfect for the toughest mining tasks. Hitachi EH5000AC3. Combining advanced technology with brute strength, it ensures maximum productivity in mining operations. Now, let's look at some of the most impressive agricultural machines. John Deere S790 Combine. This combine harvester is known for its efficiency and ability to handle large-scale harvesting tasks. Case IH Quadtrac 620. A powerful tractor designed for the most demanding agricultural tasks, providing unmatched performance. Claas Lexion 8900. Combining advanced technology with high capacity, It's a top choice for modern farmers. CR 10.90. Known for its efficiency and power, this combine harvester is designed to tackle the biggest harvesting jobs. Fendt 1050 Vario, a high-performance tractor offering incredible power and versatility for various farming tasks. Check out these extraordinary logging machines. Hans Scorpion King. This advanced harvester is designed for efficient and precise logging operations. John Deere 1470G. Known for its reliability and cutting-edge technology, it's a favorite in the logging industry. Komatsu 931XC. Combining power with efficiency, this harvester is perfect for tough logging tasks. TigerCat 875E Log Loader. Designed for maximum productivity and durability, it's a staple in the logging industry. Caterpillar 568 Forest Machine. Known for its power and versatility, it's perfect for a wide range of logging operations. Finally, let's take a look at some futuristic machines that are set to revolutionize their respective industries. Tesla Cybertruck. Combining electric power with advanced technology, this truck promises incredible efficiency and performance. Caterpillar 794 AC Mining Truck. A next-generation mining truck designed for maximum efficiency and productivity. Komatsu D155AXI8 Dozer. Featuring intelligent machine control, it's a glimpse into the future of construction machinery. C950F crawler excavator, an advanced machine designed for heavy-duty tasks with a focus on efficiency and sustainability. John Deere 8RX tractor, combining cutting-edge technology with incredible power, it's designed for the future of farming. These machines represent the pinnacle of engineering and innovation across various industries. If you enjoyed this showcase of the most amazing heavy machinery in the world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.